Welcome to AlliesPro, the new standard in getting paid for your services. There are two ways you can use AlliesPro. You can secure your file and get paid once the documents download with our Pay Per File system. Or you can secure your money by holding the transactions in escrow with our Money Retainer system. In this tutorial, let's go ahead and use the Pay Per File system. Let's get started. You need to select your project's information. Select the service that you'll be offering, the type of change you'd like to use, the price for it, if the project will have revisions or not, and most importantly, when you will get it done. This page is where you set up the instructions on how you want to charge for your services. Once you click the Create button, your Pay Per File system is automatically generated. If it's your first time, you need to set up your account by adding your bank's information. This is where we verify the authenticity of our users so that your money can be deposited. After it's been approved, you'll see a green check mark and you're good to go. Now you're ready to send your files. Go back to your project and invite your customer by writing his or her email. Inside the project, you can chat and upload files to discuss project details. Once you want to get paid for a file, click on the Lockbox button and upload it to the lock icon. You can also upload a preview file. Click Send when you're done. Your files are now secured and will only be unlocked once your client submits payment, giving you the peace of mind that you're going to get paid for your work. As soon as your client submits payment, AlliesPro will send a notification and deposit you the money automatically. That's it. Your funds are now available. Congratulations! Thanks for watching and hope you've enjoyed this video. Now it's your turn to get paid. Start today with AlliesPro.